Hi, welcome to Easy Maths for Everyone. In today's video, I am going to start with the chapter Coordinate Geometry for class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we start learning the concepts, some previous knowledge related to this topic must be discussed. In today's lecture, we are going to cover those. The topics which are to be covered in this lecture will be Cartesian plane, quadrants, ordered pairs, and plotting on graph. When we talk about coordinate geometry, the person who comes to our mind is Mr. René Descartes, a French mathematician who is the father of coordinate geometry. He invented the Cartesian coordinates in the 17th century. He made a revolutionary discovery by merging the concepts of algebra and geometry together. We all know about the number line and we also know how to plot numbers on the number line. What happens if we have two such number lines and we arrange them in such a way that they are perpendicular to each other? That's when we get the Cartesian plane. The horizontal line over here is called the x-axis and the vertical line over here is called the y-axis. The two axes divide the Cartesian plane into four equal parts called as the quadrants. The top right is called the first quadrant and the top left is called the second quadrant and the bottom left is called the third quadrant and the bottom right is called the fourth quadrant. How do we plot the points on the Cartesian plane? Before doing that, we should know about an ordered pair. What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is a pair formed by two elements that are separated by a comma and written inside parentheses. For example, A, B. All the points which we plot on the Cartesian plane will be in the form of an ordered pair. How to represent an ordered pair on a Cartesian plane? For example, in the ordered pair x, y, the value x represents the distance of this point from the y-axis, which is also called as the abscissa, and the value y represents the distance of the point from the x-axis, which is also called as the ordinate. Remember that the value x should always come first, followed by the value y. And also remember that the ordered pair x, y is different from the ordered pair y, x. Let's take a quick exercise. Let us try to mark the points 3, 4, minus 6, 3, minus 4, minus 5, 7, minus 4, 0, 7 and 5, 0. Let us mark the point 3, 4 in the Cartesian plane. The value 3 is taken in the x-axis and the value 4 is taken in the y-axis. The point where both the lines from 3 and 4 meet mark the ordered pair 3, 4. Similarly, the point where the lines from minus 6 and 3 meet together mark the ordered pair minus 6, 3. And so are the cases for minus 4 and minus 5, 7 and minus 4. What happens if one of the values in the ordered pair becomes 0? For example, in 0, 7, the x value is 0. This point will lie on the y-axis. Similarly, in this ordered pair, the y value is 0 and this point will lie on the x-axis. That's all for this lecture. We will continue with the rest in our next video. If you like this lecture, give us a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Please do subscribe and turn on the notifications in order to not miss out our upcoming videos. Thank you.